guys, it's Angel. Today I've got a really fun recipe for you guys. It's actually a semi-homemade cooking hack. We are going to be making pan-fried buns, which is also known as Sheng Jian Bao. We're going to be taking steamed buns, and then instead of steaming them, we're going to be pan-frying them to make our Sheng Jian Bao, or our pan-fried pork buns. So this is a really great recipe if you have a craving for these type of buns, but you don't want to go out and buy them. And they are also, I feel like they're cheaper to make at home. So if you guys are interested in how to make this, keep watching. For the ingredients, you'll need some steamed pork buns. So any type of pork bun will do. You can get your favorites, but I actually chose these frozen steamed pork and vegetable mini buns. I like the size of this. And I've got about 8 of them. Make sure you get this in your freezer department in the frozen food section, because you definitely will want the frozen ones. That's how we're gonna cook this. And these are the frozen ones for steaming, but we're not gonna steam them. We will also need, for garnish, to make everything look really nice, we'll need some green onions and also some sesame seeds. And I have some black and white sesame seeds. All right, the first thing we'll do is preheat. I've got a cast iron skillet here, and I'm gonna preheat that on a medium heat. We'll just let that come to temperature. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil to the bottom of the pan. Give that a nice swirl. And I'm just going to place the frozen buns down like this. And I try and place them side by side so they kind of are gathered together in a small group. It's totally okay if they're touching. Next, add half a cup of hot water. And we'll want to cover that with a steaming lid. And normally when you buy these are supposed to be steamed buns, and these ones needed to cook for about 10 minutes on steam, but we're actually gonna pan fry these or steam fry these within the pan, so that way it gets like a nice golden crust on the bottom, and we're going to do this for about 10 minutes. So we're about 8 minutes in, and this is kind of what it starts to look like. You'll notice that the water has started to evaporate, and the bottom of the buns are starting to kind of pan fry and turn golden brown. We're gonna let that cook for another 2 minutes, and off to the side, let's chop up some green onions. So these green onions are just gonna go on the top for garnish. All right, let's check on our buns. So I'm just gonna check the bottom of one of the buns, and we can see if they're done. Oh, that's a nice golden brown. That's really nice. So, a couple things here. If you like yours extra brown, you can also leave them on here, turn the heat off, and just kind of let them cook in the pan. You can also turn them and get another edge of your bun brown. Here, I'll show you how I do it. So you just take one, and you can just flip it like that and have it brown the edge of another side. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you pan fry the edge of another side of that bun. So we'll add some green onions to the top. And top it with some sesame seeds, some black and some white. And now we're ready to serve. I like to serve this directly in the pan, so it's just got kind of a nice crust to it, and it also keeps the buns warm. And that, guys, is how you make pan-fried pork buns, or Sheng Jian Bao. As you can see, it was super easy, just 10 minutes, one pan, one pot, and they look amazing. So now I'm going to do the taste test. And I like to serve it with a little bit of soy sauce mixed in with some chili garlic sauce. So let's dig right in. So I'll give the soy sauce and chili sauce a little stir here. Okay, and I will grab a piece from the side. Let's get this one. It's got a nice brown on the bottom. Little dip. Mmm. Wow. That was amazing. So inside, the pork is like juicy and there's that bun on the outside, but yet it's crispy on the very bottom, as you can see right here. So it's got kind of a nice texture to it, and it's definitely that pan-fried pork bun. I'm Angel, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's semi-homemade video recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as my grandpa would say, sharing a meal with a fascinating stranger is one of life's true delights. So until we can share some pan-fried pork buns together, take care, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!